Children, in this module, we will continue with the topic and will talk about the objectives of the media. Children, in order to function as a watchdog of democratic values, the media needs to fulfill some essential objectives. And these objectives are like the separation of news from opinion. Second, separation of news and business interests of the newspaper. If the two get mixed up, it may interfere with the media's responsibility towards people at large. Another important objective of the media is that not to give one-sided account of events. Media should be impartial. Then, give only reports which are based on facts. Media should avoid the distortion of news. It means avoiding misrepresentation of the news, and it should never resort to understatement or exaggeration of the news. Children, the media has an enormous social responsibility. Besides its duty to provide an accurate and detailed account of events, media should also provide a forum for people to share their views and ideas that we have already discussed, that it provide forum for debate and discussion, isn't it? It should uphold the values of the society. And children, dealing with the power of information, some media firms may become centers of economic and political powers. And in such cases, they are likely to place their private interests above public interests. And so, there is a need to regulate the media so that it gives priority to public interest. And for this, the media has evolved a set of principles or code of conduct for itself. Now, let's see some basic ethical principles of the media. First of all, the correct information should be given by the media. They should not publish or broadcast information that is incorrect, misleading, or exaggerated. Every information must be verified before it is made public. Second thing is that media should provide information in an unbiased manner. That is, information should be balanced. Media should act independently. It means it should not be controlled or influenced by anybody else. Its coverage of news should be independent, but in reality, media is far from independence.